Hello everyone and welcome back to Jacklit Educational Channel. So this is the time to announce the results for the quiz contest which was conducted on this platform on 19th of October 2020. So if you're new to this platform, you should know that we are conducting weekly environmental science quiz on every Monday. So let's start today's video. So those who don't know the rules for the quiz contest, you can pause the video and go through all these rules. So let's discuss the questions first. So the first question was, in which of the following types of solar cell the efficiency is least? And here the correct option will be option number 3. Yes, the amorphous kind of the solar cell or the thin film type of solar cell is having the efficiency of around 5 to 7%, whereas it is slightly increased in the case of polycrystalline kind of solar cell with the efficiency of 10 to 13%, and monocrystalline type of solar cell are having the efficiency of 13 to 15%, and hybrid kind of solar cell are usually the highest among the efficiency with the efficiency of approximately 20%. So you should note it down. Let's move to the next question. The second question was, what is meant by BTEX in the pollution monitoring process? So BTEX, it is related to air pollution, and here the correct option will be option number C. Yes, BTEX full form is benzene, toluene, ethyl benzene and xylene. Let's move to the next question. The third question was related to the hardness of water, and the question was, excess lime soda ash process is not used for which of the following process? So here it was mentioned not, some of you have done wrong. So it is not used to harden the water, it is used to soften the water having calcium and magnesium carbonate hardness. So you should note it down. Let's move to the next question. The fourth question was asking the correct sequence as per the decreasing water holding capacity of different kinds of soil. And here the option which will be correct for the question will be option number D. Yes, clay is having the highest water holding capacity, followed by silt and sand, so it is decreasing order. But this sequence is also correct, that increasing order of water holding capacity is sand, silt and then clay. But as here it was asking decreasing, so option number D will be correct option. Let's move to the next question. The fifth question was, the restoration of biodiversity through the secondary succession after severe disturbance is called as what? So this process in ecology is called as resilience. So you should note it down. This is the very important and conceptual question. Time for the next question. The next question for the quiz contest was among the monitoring process. So it was asking which air pollutant is mostly monitored through West Geek method. So it is one of the frequently asked questions in environmental science exam, and the correct option will be option number C. Sulfur dioxide is monitored through West Geek method. The seventh question was a very easy numerical, and the question was about to find the organic matter in the lake. So the lake was given with the dissolved organic carbon which was 1.5 milligram per liter, and it was asking to find the dissolved organic matter. So formula for this is organic matter, that is OM, is equal to total organic carbon present in the lake multiplied by 1.72. So here as it was given total organic carbon as 1.5, when we are multiplying with 1.72, we will get the answer as 2.58. So 2.58 is approximately equal to 2.6 milligram per liter. Option number B will be the correct option. Let's move to the next question. The next question was question number 8. The maximum concentration of hydroxyl radical in the Earth atmosphere is observed at which of the following sphere? So here the correct option will be option number A. The equator and in the middle of troposphere region is the highest concentration where the hydroxyl radical is found in Earth atmosphere. Time for the ninth question. The ninth question was, which of the following clay mineral is having the highest cation exchange capacity? So among the four kinds of clay mineral provided, the one with the highest cation capacity will be vermiculite. Yes, and you should note that the lowest cation exchange capacity among the four is kaolinite. So you would have seen several times this term. So the kaolinite is having the lowest cation exchange capacity. The final question was from the IUCN Red List category, in which we have to tell that what is the full form of NE. So in the case of IUCN Red List, NE means not evaluated. So these were the 10 questions which came in the quiz contest, and now it's time to reveal the results for the quiz contest. So unfortunately there was no one in this quiz contest to score 10 out of 10, but some students have done well, and they were Eco Ahmed, Oli Bora, Nisar Ahmed, Khadija Samreen and Diksha Pandey. So all of you, congratulations to all, you have secured 9 out of 10 marks. Our other participants were Biswa, Happy Sahu, Rajappan Suganti, Hema Sahu, Anshul Tiwari, Sweetie Dahiya, Anwar Bande, Roshan Kumar, Mati, Sangeeta Mano, Hazel, Priyanka Soren. So you all have done well, congratulations to each and everyone, and keep up the good work. So thanks for participating in the quiz contest and making this a successful one. So guys, all your scores are noted down and you will be one of the winner for the monthly winner. So note it down that all your scores are noted, and after this month you will be getting the cash prize along with the e-certificate for being the top performer of the month. So keep participating in the quiz contest as there is only one quiz remaining in this month. So subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon if you haven't subscribed, because you will be getting the update as soon as I update any video.